Hello traders, welcome back to another account review and brace yourselves because this is going to be a big one. Let's go. Okay, so today we're going to take a look at Aasha's account. I hope I said that right. He or she is from India, and as you can see, we have a 200k account evaluation phase 1 to review here. By the way, 200k is the max allocation that you can get on EverTrader, so after checking this clip, check out its description as well and check EverTrader to get one of these nice and cool accounts. Now, as you probably know from our videos already, 10% needed to pass phase 1, which our trader did. And what do we have here? So 8,881 profit factor. Well, I know guys who have funded accounts who are smaller than this, so this should be something interesting. Let's see, 5 trades taken, 60% win ratio in something over a week, so only a week needed to bank the 10% needed, or $20,000 in profit. This is awesome. Now, we won't have any losses to take a look at, so that's clear, at least for phase 1. Now, let's see what he is trading. So he is trading Forex and gold by the looks of it, but these 2 trades on Forex have been just to mark his trading days, and the bulk of his trading goes into gold and euro dollar, 2 pairs that tend to move close to a similar fashion. Now, judging by the take profit stop loss, impeccable, so he uses take profits, he uses stop losses. Judging by the time span in which he opens and closes his trades, he is a day trader for sure. Now let's take a look at his strategy by checking this biggest win, which amounts to $7,500 in only 5 hours. I have to say, for this amount of money, yeah, 5 hours is quite a satisfying time to be alive. So now, first of all, take profit and stop loss, and it seems that we have another advocate of the already famous one-to-one style of trading. So yeah, wide stop loss, wide take profit. Fortunately for our trader, after the position went into a bit of a drawdown, the market finally got all the supply needed to tank the price and hit our trader's take profit, which by the way was masterfully placed. I think we have some sort of smart money concepts involved here, but judging by the entrance, this isn't smart money concepts at all. Maybe he just enters with some other indicator, or I'm not sure what time frame is he looking at. We have something here to the left, not really. So market started to shift bearish here, but without any clear bearish momentum. Our trader sold, stop loss, galaxy is far away. And after being in a bit of a drawdown, $3,500 in drawdown, roughly ballpark around this point, the trade decided to go our trader's way, and we have a slam dunk take profit. So awesome job here from our trader. Perfectly timed take profit for this trade. Now let's check this one as well, because we don't have any losing trades to check. I will just run with it quickly. And yes, same one-to-one. Not really sure what time frame is he using, and I'm dying to know that. Given the fact that he holds his position more than 1 hour, 1 hour and 30, and even 5 hours, I tend to think that he is somewhere in the 5 or 15-ish minute range. Nonetheless, he gauged the momentum perfectly. Market started to shift bearish. This low didn't take out any of the highs, and our trader saw that, entered with this momentum candle, and then price smashed basically his take profit. No drawdown in this trade, so impeccable trade all the way down to his take profit. Let's go to phase 2. Phase 2 seems to be more of the same profit factor in the funded accounts ranges on some sites, and yeah, still no losses to take a look at, guys. I'm not even going to bother to modify the maximum loss that he had up there until we have a decent loss. Still 5 trades taken on a time span of this time a full month, as you can see, from the 13th of May all the way to 13th of June. 5% profit banked. Again, nothing really much to say here. Still trading Euro US dollar and Euro JPY. So again, he still sticks with this forex side. These are his biggest trades. He uses take profit, he uses stop loss, so nothing to change there, and he is definitely not an overnight trader. Let's see this big trade on Euro JPY that took 7 hours and a half to complete and banked him $5,201. So half of the phase 2 was here. Now, yeah, 1-to-1, still nothing changed. Still, he judges the momentum shift perfectly because, yeah, I know it may look simple for you guys, thinking that, yeah, you have a stop loss which is miles apart from the entry price, and you also have a take profit which is, again, miles apart. First of all, that's the first downfall there, because the take profit is kind of far away from the price action, and many things can happen, including news and other events worldwide. So this trading style isn't as comfortable as it seems, because imagine if his stop loss would have been hit here. Well, that would have stung, right? So this is half of his daily max loss. This is 2.5% if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, this would have hurt. But nonetheless, I'm again curious to see what time frame is he using. This time he decided to close the trade manually. This is interesting, and I think I know why. Mostly you can see that we had this liquidity grab here, and then price decided to range on the upper floors compared to this one. Now we come back here, have a strongish reaction, not really strong enough to break this most recent notable high, at least on the 1 minute time frame, and then it dips back again here, and we have strong bullish momentum. And yes, our trader judged it perfectly. He saw this double bottom formation here, and he assessed the market perfectly, knowing that there is a strong chance that the market will go to the upside, and he closed it pinpoint perfect. Now let's check this other trade, because again, we don't have any losing trades to look at. And this is again, this doesn't seem like a 1-to-1. This seems like a sub 1R trade from the looks of it. I think so, yeah. It seems like a 0.75 to 1 risk to reward. But again, what can we see here, guys? Well, first of all, we can see the market kind of ending this bearish run by shifting bullish right around our trader's entry. And yes, as you probably know, after the market shifts bearish or bullish, we have a pullback in the opposite direction, but that's why, and that's when this huge stop loss comes into play, because that pullback can't be that long. But if you catch the beginning of a trend, it can take you all the way to your take profit and beyond, as you can see here. But our trader decided that enough is enough. He had his take profit set. Not sure if he's kicking himself or not, but this would have been an awesome trade. Again, not really able to zoom in on his strategy. It looks, by the looks of it, on the 1 minute chart, he waits for a shift in momentum. He waits for a shift in structure in terms of the market character, be it bullish or bearish. He looks for the shift, enters immediately with a huge stop loss, and places his take profit at the nearest higher time frame point of interest. So that's basically, in a nutshell, what he is doing, or what I assume that he is doing. If you have other ideas, feel free to use that comment box that you have below this clip. Let's talk strategy together. And yeah, this was all for phase 2. Let's go to his first run at a funded account. Incredible. So Aasha still doesn't want to show us a losing trade. Okay, so be it. Now, funded account, $200,000 in funding. Again, max allocation on EverTrader. Good for you, Aasha, and congratulations on your first profit. As you can see, the profit factor is only a measly 133 this time, so not that good of a month. 10 trades, 60% win ratio, and he banked a profit of 2%. Yeah, 2% sounds a small amount, but if you factor that with a 200k account, it's not that small at all. Let's see if something changed. Nope, still forex. Kind of stop trading gold. Not really sure if that's a shift in strategy or not. As you can probably notice, all the notable trades have take profits and stop losses, and we don't really have a losing trade. We will check this one because I'm quite curious of the fact. I'm curious if he is moving his stop loss to break even, but we won't see anything around here, mostly because this trade only took 4 minutes. Not sure if this was a misclick or something like that. Maybe he saw something in the market that didn't really fancy his trading style. You can see again the stop loss was miles apart. Take profit would have been 1-to-1 somewhere around here. But yeah, I think he thought that he rushed here. Again, what is our trader looking for when he wants to buy? He wants a shift in momentum, be it from bearish to bullish or from bullish to bearish. In this case, it was from bearish to bullish. I said those words way too many times now. And yeah, I think he was kind of cautious and decided that this ranging price action doesn't really indicate strong momentum to the upside. Yeah, then market showed him the contrary, but again, should've, could've, would've. It's okay that he decided that this entry was subpar and stopped it altogether. Now let's go to the winning trades. Let's go to the big money. This one, $3,363 in 16 hours, close to overnight, but still no overnight trading. Now let's check this short on UJ first. And yeah, not really sure. You can remember from the previous trades that I said that he is looking for shifts in momentum. Well, now it doesn't seem to be the case. He was looking for a continuation here. Again, he sold at this point of interest. Again, this swing, this mini pause in the market broke the most recent low. It liquidated some people here, ranged for a bit. Not really that strong of a reaction from this. I mean, it ranged a bit. It's usually a V-shaped recovery here when the price hits and gets enough demand, in this case, to push higher. Now he just sold at this point of interest here. Again, stop loss placed on another continent right here, and take profit in the mirror. Now this trade took more than its share of well-being for our trader, I have to say, because it went, as you can see, sorry for the condensed chart guys, but it's a long trade, 16 hours to check on the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, it went halfway through his stop loss here, and yeah, reacted to this level right here, and the market completely shifted bearish all the way to a point where our trader said, yeah, this is enough. Probably nighttime came. Yeah, markets were about to close, guys, and he didn't really want to leave this trade unattended. And yes, it's a good reason behind that, and I urge you guys to do the same if you are trading this style. So 1-to-1 by risking 2.5, 3%, 5%. Just don't risk that much while you can't really actively control your trade. And if you want to be, this can be the takeaway from today's clip. So incredible 1-to-1 trading style. We saw this already in our account reviews. It's an easy way to pass the challenge provided you nail the trend, because otherwise you will end up with long positions that are kind of meaningless, because as you can see, our trader here, he closed it once the market closed for the day, because a new day can bring new aspects to the market, new factors to the market, and maybe the judgment that you made the day before can be obsolete, and no stop loss, no matter how wide, can save you from that, and you will be obliterated. And yes, in that positive note, guys, I'm going to end this clip right here. Again, congratulations, Aasha, for getting funded and getting your first profit split with a $200,000 account. Hope to see you in our interview soon. For all you guys, thanks for watching. Leave suggestions in the comment box. Leave any feedback is welcome. So yeah, been rambling a lot. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.